Well, hello again. I just wanted to take a second before I show you some other stuff. I just wanted to take a second and thank you. I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope that you find them simple to understand and that I've done a good job at presenting this business to you and showing you this business. And if there's anything that you think that would be easier to understand, or if I could do something different, I would appreciate it if you would send me an email and say, could you, go a little deeper here, or I don't need so much here, or whatever, because I do make these for you. I want you to understand the business. I want you to see the picture. I want you to understand how beginner friendly it is. And then you can decide whether this is something you want to do or not. So, for those of you who are ready, for those of you who have been watching me and you're like, yes, this actually makes sense. I can do this. I got a phone, I got Wi Fi, and I have um, the time that we're talking about, the 2 hours on one platform of doing the income earning activities. If you're like, yes, then I'm going to show you the next step. So, you guys already have the blueprint, you're already in my emails. So, any email, maybe they're not in every single email, but my website is in my email, okay? In most emails. So all you would do is just go to the bottom of the email, open it up, and then you're going to see. Now, this might change because I know she told us that she was doing an update. So I might have to make this video again, or it might look just tiny bit different. Okay. Might look a tiny bit different because she's going to move the programs up to the top. I'll tell you what she's going to do. So this is where you would start. Okay. You would choose either the 1400, right there. And there are plans available. Okay. As low as 67 a month. With Klarna, that's probably the best one. You'll see me and my little man. Now, if you scroll, I got to tell you, we got to scroll. Now, this is the founder right here. And here's a 7-day launch to profit strategy. I'm just going to mention this because I don't think I mentioned it at all before this, but there is a 7-day to launch profit, or 7-day to launch strategy. 7-day to launch, 7 days to launch profit strategy. You get what I'm saying. I'm like, wait a minute. That's not how you say it, but you get it, right? That is a very good strategy. Now, you could take your time and go through all of this stuff, but if you want to scroll, those are my kids, there's me. If you want to scroll down, go, here are all 5. Okay. So she's going to update the website, and I guess they're going to be at the top instead of us having to scroll all the way down, which I'm excited about personally because I like them to be at the top. So I think that's really cool. But for now, you might have to scroll down. Okay. So they're all there. The 6, the 3, and the 1. Okay. You can take your time to look at the whole website if you want to, but this is where the programs are. This is how you get started. If you choose the 6, you would have the 1, 3, and 6. If you choose the 3, you would have the 1 and the 3. We're not purchasing each one individually. Okay. Now, this is a really interesting little factoid that you probably should take note of. Okay. This is something I looked at. The 14 and the 9. When we first got this, so watch this. Here, the 9 on a payment plan is 56. The 14 on a payment plan is 67. Would you rather spend another, like, it's $11 difference, but you could actually promote a $500 more program, which means $500 more for you, right? For only $11 on a payment plan. So for me, I'm thinking that's a no-brainer. But that is something that I thought was really good in our favor, because I thought it was going to be like a huge difference on a payment plan, but it's not. So that's how you get started. If you have any questions, or if there's anything I haven't answered, just let me know. I can't think of anything else that I need to tell you. That's how you get started. Okay. And I'm excited for you. I'm excited to meet you. I'm excited to have you in my community if you choose to join my community. Also, in the main community, obviously, you'd be in the main community. But let me know if there's anything that I can help you with. Let me know if you're going to start, because I want to be the first to congratulate you, of course. So be blessed. And thank you so much for all your time.